Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing stellarxlm, the best financial system. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Stellar in real time, what the official handles are saying, and what the community is saying. Let's find out, folks. So let's see if we have anything new for us. Look at this. The future of finance is being built in the present. What do the people have to say about this? The future is prehistoric, and the patent for it was filed for in '88 by a smart ass man that you guys even copied your code and concept off of. Okay, laugh now, but one day XRP will power the world. Okay, mockery over here, sarcasm. Your comms team is living in the past though, and it is being built on Stellar. Stellar and Ripple are the center of this new finance system. Not many people who know what's coming. It has taken good 12 to 13 years to get here, but now it is all about to be revealed. Yes, it is so. Get your act together and stop blackpiling XRP and RLUSD. No one needs posts like this. Yeah, I really didn't like this post, to be honest. Imagine spending more on lawyers than developers and calling it progress. I mean, this is like a this is, I think, a bit unprofessional, to be honest. But we should grow from here. Let's hope that they do not do this again. Regardless, really, Stellar, you have been around since 2014 and you still haven't replaced MoneyGram. It really isn't that difficult to topple them with blockchain. Look at what Dent did quietly in the mobile phone arena. Mala over here says, we cover both sides of the spectrum, folks. We cover the good sides and the bad posts. We do not shy away from the bad ones as well. Obviously, it takes time for good things to happen, and due to regulatory uncertainty, still up until this point, folks, mass adoption, I think, is still a few years away. It can even take a decade or more, and it can take 1 year, and even it can even take 2 decades. We never know. It all depends on global legal framework, folks. Stellar equals underwhelming adoption, trash marketing and development. They should be begging for allies rather than tearing down superior competitors. Be better. We'll ride with the visionary all day, any day over Jed centralization, Jed McCaleb. So we do not want a Ripple versus Stellar war over here, folks. I think that both of them are on they should be on the same track, folks. Working to legitimize this industry and working to innovate the world of finance. I do not think that this warfare between the communities is a good approach going forward. And if we talk about both of them, folks, we shouldn't do this. Look at this, because this creates these trolls and back and forth sort of a scenario. Look at this. Imagine forking the XRP ledger and calling it progress. Also, if you would care about developers instead of engagement farming the XRP community, go and fix Soroban. Your smart contract platform doesn't even seem less integrated with native Stellar features. You forked the XRPL and made it worse. I think we should avoid scenarios like these, folks, to be honest. Anyways, what else is happening? By tokenizing securities on the Stellar blockchain, issuers can benefit from improved operational resilience and capital efficiency. Let's open this up. Before we check this out, let's see a few of the posts over here. Gang. Okay. Why you should build your DeFi protocol on Stellar. Faster transactions, lower fees, reliable tooling, and infrastructure you can count on. Awesome. Regulators love transparency, Wall Street loves efficiency, Stellar delivers both. It is transparent, it is efficient. So this is why regulators and Wall Street tend to love Stellar, apparently. Building is about leaving the world better than how you found it. Okay, this Saturday we're hosting a reception with Etherfuse and Decaf in Mexico City. Saturday is already gone by, so it might have happened already. Stellar Lounge reception with Etherfuse and Decaf in Mexico City. Awesome. Let me increase the volume over here. Just like Raja explained this morning. Let me open this up. Let me play this bit for you guys.
I mean, I think the ideal scenario is that the customer never knows. I mean, I think that's truly the future, is that it is really just an infrastructure play, an infrastructure technology. I think if you are in Africa, one part of Africa, for example, I think the idea that you can hold dollars in a digital, a US dollar-backed digital currency like USDC, that is super powerful. I don't think they really care whether or not it is a cryptocurrency or not. I mean, I think the idea...
Interesting updates, folks. Look at this. The best financial system isn't the one you see. It is the one that just works. So I agree that the best financial system is the one that is truly changing the landscape of finance, that wants to optimize, make the world of finance, make the world much more efficient, much more cost effective, much more seamless, much more integrated. And obviously, this is the idea and vision of both Stellar and Ripple, both of them, folks. The vision of blockchain as a whole. Ondo just proved it again. When you're serious about tokenizing real-world yields, you build on Stellar. Look at this. Ondo will be bringing USDY to the Stellar org network, offering yield-bearing RWAs to Stellar's global ecosystem of treasury management, collateralization, and global payments services, with over 400,000 global cash on and off ramps. Stellar connects global finance on-chain with real-world solution. Now, this is the key word over here, folks, that the one that we really like. Real-world solutions, real-world use case, real-world applicability, real-world utility, and now real-world assets as well, which are here to change the world of finance, obviously disrupting trillions of dollars, folks. Tokenization of luxury goods, tokenization of commodities, tokenization of even real estate, folks. So this is how big it can be. This is great. If you want to read about USDY's integration with the Stellar network, you can check it out over here, folks. Okay, so learn tokenized investment assets. The Stellar network is a leader in the tokenized investment space, especially in the tokenized US Treasuries space. By tokenizing securities on the blockchain, issuers can benefit from improved operational resilience and capital efficiency. This is a bit long article. You have to check this out yourselves. Not long, so let me just take you through this. How tokenized investment assets work. The tokenized securities, folks. A tokenized security is a particular type of financial instrument, a security, ownership of which is represented digitally by a token on a blockchain. So you basically are owning a share of it or a part of it. Tokenized commodities. A tokenized commodity is a digital asset whose value is pegged to real-world assets, similar to how stablecoins functions. For instance, it can be gold, it can be silver, it can be any mineral, it can be any commodity, folks. Issuers use the blockchain to create a digital representation of the commodity and ideally ensure the digital asset is backed by reserves of the real world commodity. Basically, it is backed by the physical part of it as well. If you're tokenizing, let's say, diamond, you have to have diamond somewhere in the vault or in a safe place which can be swapped 1:1, folks. This is great. Explore tokenized assets on the Stellar network. Asset issuers on the Stellar network have tokenized a variety of financial products, including securities, commodities, and more. Franklin Templeton, Benji, Wisdom Tree, Gold, ABN AMRO, Epoch Bond. So look at this. Each gold token issued by Wisdom Tree represents direct ownership of a 1 troy-ounce portion of a London Gold Market Association gold bar. So this is how huge this is, folks. Why is it good for folks? The benefits of issuance on the Stellar network: it reduces costs, it is operationally efficient, it is compliant, it has good speed, it has low cost, a trust-based consensus. Stellar's proof of agreement consensus protocol prioritizes fault tolerance and safety, letting you focus more on business priorities and less on the security of the network. You can rest assured that Stellar is indeed really secure for all of this to happen. So this is why it is beneficial. The use cases: record keeping, liquidity, and for investment purposes as well. This is great, folks. A really good read over here. I really liked it. Anyways, let's see what is happening with the community in real time as well. There was a post by, I think, Mason as well, pointing out the post that Stellar did. This is why I really do not like this back and forth rebuttal, basically. Brick by brick, Stellar. I just sold all my XLM to buy more XRP. Imagine spending more on lawyers than developers and calling it progress. I think this should be avoided. At least this is my take on it. I really like Stellar, and they have avoided controversy for a very long time, but I really think that they should avoid this. This is not the way to go. XLM is now choosing to take shots at Ripple, and this is not a good idea. Lost a bit of respect from me, that's for sure. You think Ripple wanted to spend that money? They had to, so that projects like yours can exist. Stellar, seriously? I mean, Ripple does sketchy shit. This tweet is based. Not sure who runs that account, but I blocked them a long time ago. I doubt Stellar would sanction that type of petty stuff. Thanks for the insight. I may block them too. I do not think blocking is a good idea, because they always have interesting stuff, interesting updates, a lot more than a lot of projects that we cover, to be honest. Whenever we go through the Stellar official handles, we get something interesting and new. Ripple and Stellar were built to bypass traditional competition laws. No single company couldn't capture all segments of the market. Now this is what we're talking about, and we'll end this video on this post over here. Both of them are required, and both of them should collaborate. XLM for micropayments and financial inclusion, while XRP targets enterprise-level cross-border payments. Different roles, same mission, revolutionizing finance. So this is what we're talking about, and if we combine them, they can be called the best financial system as well. Are you a believer? I would really like your opinions, and and I would really like your take on this controversy as well. So what is your opinions? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.